It's about 6:30 in the morning. It's my last day here in Katowice, thank God. I kind of got used to it in the end. It was only the weekend that was a bit hectic, but last night was nice and quiet. But yeah, I'm just walking to Biedronka, a little supermarket. This is what I mean to see. A lot of alcoholics around here. So I'm back with David.
But it's much better than
It feels so nice. You know, the gear changes are much more smoother. There's no jerkiness. This is a beautiful bike. I mean, this is not my type of thing, but this is lovely. This is probably my type of thing.
And I just saw it during night. I had a feeling like everything around is dead.
Right.
And later, when I saw it was my clock maybe stopped for 4 minutes, and I was thinking, what the hell? The time didn't stop. I mean, my watch was a proof that something happened with the time. So probably those machines are not flying as we know the plane flies.
They're pausing time.
They are traveling in time.
Wow.
You know, I was in
How old were you?
No.
No, no.
No.
No, no.
No.
No. When this happened?
26.
And where were you?
Vilatovo, Poland.
Right.
Yeah, we were sleeping in a tent.
Sod it, what's the worst gonna happen? I'm gonna end up sleeping out somewhere. So where does your friend want to go now?
Huh?
Which country will he visit?
He will go with me in January to the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
It
Cool.
will be
And his
first time.
Alone or with wife?
No, yeah, with wife, but I mean it will be his first time.
On a
that
plane?
He will go, yeah. By
Wow.
plane. You know what was his first story? I was laughing so much, even my list too, because he said, Dave, tell me what I will do in case like plane will crash into the ocean, and you know what, I will survive and I will see the shark who want to eat me.
No.
And I said, no, it's not possible.
It's done. Done. Now we have some lunch when it's 12 o'clock. Does your friend want to come for lunch? With us?
Nie, ja muszę na dalej. Muszę jeszcze do sklepu skoczyć jednego.
He needs to go do some shoppings and
Okay.
rooftop reparation is waiting for him.
Okay.
Right, what do you need me?
It's easy when you have somebody.
Yeah. So me and David are just off to a recommended kebab lunch in his car quickly. And,
That's not true. He didn't want to eat anything. I need to push him through it. buying
The container.
in a huge containers. It's made from a cream.
That's delicious.
You know why is that? Because the owner is Turkish. Yeah,
So,
you're angry.
if you're angry in Poland, you say,
Yeah.
which is the F word, but be respectful and try not to use it. Right, so,
It's actually my mother's wild garden.
okay. I've been given a tour of his mother's wild garden.
Everything that was
Oh,
even a
wow.
cabbage. There's a carrot.
Explain which vegetables you have here.
Actually everything.
And look at this tomato.
White berries. There's a salad from it.
Okay.
You will have those ones. Look.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah. It's natural growing without
Yeah.
any fertilizers.
Man has no limit to his talents.
And here, look. Do you know those ones?
Strawberries. No, they're raspberries.
Yeah. Try this one. The taste of it. It's directly for it. You don't have to wash it.
No.
It's nice, mate.
That's yum. Oh my god, you got everything.
Yeah, there's the pumpkins. There are strawberries. This looks like from the movie. Enjoy.
This is my dessert then.
This is the wild berry.
Oh, what's this? No.
Do you know that?
Oh, it's walnuts. Yeah. My god.
Put it in your pocket. You will have
Thank you.
for your break.
Yeah. Right, I must make a move now. This is David's mum.
A byliśmy na kebabie, wiesz? I mu pokazałem
Just had nice kebab and a tour of the garden and some vegetables to take away. And I'm gonna say bye to David for his kindness and his hospitality. I'll never forget this man.
No problem. Enjoy
He's
your trip.
awesome, and you too. You too.
Yeah.
Good luck.